Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
कार्यकरणकर्तृत्वे
कार्यकारणकर्तृत्वे
हेतु प्रकृति उच्यते
हेतु प्रकृति उच्यते
पुरुषा सुख दुःखानां
पुरुषा सुख दुःखानां
भोक्तृत्व हेतु उच्यते.
भोक्तृत्व हेतु उच्यते.
Nature is said to be the cause of all the material activities and effect, whereas the living entity is the cause of various sufferings and enjoyment of this world. It's a very interesting point. The point is this, that the living entity cannot control the material nature. Then why we are holding him responsible? Prakriti kriyamani gunai karmani sarvasha ahankara vibhudhatma kartaham iti manyate. Material nature is doing everything only because of ahankara I am feeling I am doing. सारा काम जो है प्रकृति कर रही है. अहंकार की वजह से मैं सोचता हूँ मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा, प्रकृति सब कुछ कर रही है. जैसे कुछ लोग दारू पीते हैं, बोलते हैं मैं दारू थोड़ी पी रहा हूँ, ये तो भगवान मेरे को फोर्स कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने कुछ गलती नहीं किया. बोलते नहीं. पीपल से दे ड्रिंक, दे से आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल, गॉड इज मेकिंग मी ड्रिंक. They say or not? So many people say they do bad activity. What can I do? God is making me do bad activity. Now how do we explain this? And also it says prakriti kriyamani guna karmani sarvasha ahankara vibhudhatma kartamiti manyate. सब कुछ प्रकृति कर रही है, अहंकार की वजह से हम बोलते हैं हम कर रहे हैं, हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे. तो फिट हो गया. So Prabhupada gives an answer. When material nature gives the body of a dog, जब आपको कुत्ते का शरीर मिलता है, कुत्ते की तरह काम करना पड़ता है. You have to behave like a dog. You have no independence. You have any independence? Yes, I am a dog. I will not bark. You have to bark. मैं कुत्ता भौंकूंगा नहीं, भौंकना पड़ेगा. पड़ेगा नहीं पड़ेगा. Is there any option? कोई ऑप्शन है? नहीं ना. So actually, we choose the kind of subtle body and gross body. We choose to have it. After that, it just runs on its own. आप एयरक्राफ्ट में बैठेंगे इट विल फ्लाई, आप शिप में बैठेंगे पानी में जाएगा, लेकिन बैठे तो आप थे ना, उधर आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. इंटरेस्टिंग. वेयर इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? सो वट एवर बॉडी वी आर सिचुएटेड टुडे, इट हैज अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल नेचर, सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ फिजिकल नेचर. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ our choosing, our choice is there. Our choice is we did activities because of which we got the body of a dog. Our responsibility is there. Once you get body of a dog, you have to behave like a dog. You cannot say now, तो भगवान करा रहे, हाँ प्रकृति कर रही है, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Can a dog say, I will not eat bone? That's not possible. कुत्ता बोल सकता है कि मैं हड्डी नहीं खाऊंगा, खाना पड़ेगा। लेकिन कुत्ते का शरीर आप लाए ना। You got it? You got it? Very complex question it is. See, if a dog says, what can I do? I have to bark. I am in a body of a dog, so God is responsible. लेकिन कुत्ते का शरीर कौन लाया? आप ही तो लाए। तर्क सॉल्व हुआ नहीं हुआ? सॉल्व हो गया? You understood? Tamil I don't know. See, somebody is saying that when I am in a body of a dog, I am barking. I cannot do anything else, because body of dog means I have to bark only. That means nature is responsible, I am not responsible. God is responsible. God gave me body of a dog and I am barking. Ga, ba, ba, ba. So God is responsible. God is not responsible. You made your activity in such a way, you had to be given body of a dog, therefore you are responsible. Therefore we take a pravitti, we take a particular nature of tamas, rajas, we are responsible. And then you behave accordingly. Nothing can be done after that. I gave another example, just like sneezing. Once you get an infection, you behave according to the infection. You lose your healthy behavior. जब हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, फिर हम बीमारी की तरह से हमारा आचरण हो जाता है। हम छींक रहे हैं, कह रहे हम छींक रहे हैं, हमारा हेल्दी बिहेवियर और नहीं है, लेकिन हमने वो बिहेवियर खुद एक्वायर किया। उसके बाद हमारा कंट्रोल गया। अब तो छींक हो गई, आई एम सॉरी, छी, आई एम सॉरी, छी, आई एम सॉरी, लोग बोलते हैं ना, क्या करोगे अब तो, लेकिन बीमार क्यों पड़े? उसके बाद आपका बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाएगा। ठीक है? तो सिमिलरली वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल इन द मेटेरियल नेचर. इट्स अ वेरी डेंजरस प्लेस. वेरी वेरी केयरफुल वी हैव टू बी. We have to see what we are tasting. We are telling a very nice point. Just like bhakti. Bhakti का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the original meaning? Bhakti rasa. Rasa. Bhakti rasa amrita sindhu. Bhakti रस का अमृत का सागर. समझ आ गया? So what is the bhakti rasa? उसको समझने को very nicely one devotee explain. Just like a chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. ठीक है? It is spiritual. Just like gulab jamun खा रहे हो. What is the main thing? The taste in the jamun. Not you are making sound. That is okay. But what is the main thing? The taste of the jamun. तो similarly हम भगवान की सेवा हर दिन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन भक्ति रसा क्या होता है? Taste. हाँ, that sweet taste of the सेवा. That is called भक्ति रसा. बहुत सुंदर रहता है, बहुत सुंदर. That is भक्ति रसा का taste. That is what we are tasting. So there is a Bhagavatam का. You should read the third shloka. Suggest you can get the third shloka. First canto, first chapter, third shloka. Can look at. That talks about the rasa. Rasika bhuvi bhavutaha. Very beautiful shloka. So basically Bhagavata is meant for the people who want to drink this very special taste of Bhakti Rasa. So when you want to go towards that, all your conditioning, even though previous conditioning, can be slowly broken away. The very famous shloka. It says, what is the Bhagavatam doing? Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhad amrita davya samyutam pibata bhagavatam rasam alayam mohu aho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam शुकमुखाद अमृत द्रव्य संयुतम पीबत भागवतम रसमालयम मुहु अहो रसिक भुवि भाव कहा. O expert and thoughtful men, relish Srimad Bhagavatam, the mature fruit of the desire to Vedic literature. It emanated from the lip of Shukadeva Goswami. Therefore, this fruit has become even more tasteful. Although its nectarian juice was already relishable for all, including liberated souls. So he's saying, drink this rasa. Therefore, we have to decide what rasa you want to drink. If you want to drink material rasa, and what is the king of material rasa? Sex desire. Then be ready. According to the body, according to your karma, everything will be determined. You will be trapped. Okay. Two ways people can come out of it. Some people can come out by hearing. They are most fortunate. Some people cannot come by hearing. Go through the experience. You have to get rid of that one way or another way. Vedic culture is to get rid of material desires. Either you can get rid of material desires by hearing, you are very fortunate, or go through the rigorous imprisonment. Just like your Tamil Nadu, somebody has gone through rigorous imprisonment. I heard she is making candles now. One day she was to become chief minister. Correct? So like that, the life will be very hard way you want to learn. It's your choice. But not everybody can do that. They have to go through the experience. Okay, go through the experience. But the purpose is to forget it. That don't forget, please. Therefore, when you go through it in a dharmic way, any material desire in a dharmic way, controlled by the rules and regulations of the Shastra, you can gradually give it up. That is also possible. Because very few small number of people can actually give it up by hearing. Most of the people have to go through the experience. They go through the experience, that is Grihastha life. Go through it. But finally the purpose is to give up. That we should not forget. Either way. Okay. Nivritti marga, pravritti marga, either way we have to proceed. But here the main point was that the living entity has to choose, therefore. He has to make a decision and choose. First thing he has to decide, I want to be rid of material desires. He has to make a decision. Okay? And he has to therefore cultivate. The taste is cultivated. Bhakti rasa is cultivated. What is actually the growth of the plant of bhakti is what is growing? The bhakti rasa. Just like you hear about the gopis. When Krishna disappeared from Ras Leela, they went mad. Bhakti rasa was so much strong. So strong. They went mad. Totally they became madness. They're going to the tree, they're going to the creepers, and they were crying, have you seen Krishna? Have you seen Krishna? They were उधर जा रहे थे. भक्ति मार्ग में क्या कर रहे हैं? भक्ति रसा को डेवलप कर रहे हैं पूरे दिन. कैसे भक्ति रसा डेवलप होता है? आपका भक्ति की सेवा से ही डेवलप होता है. करेक्ट? और उसकी परम सीमा कौन है? गोपीस. और गोपीस का क्या हाल था? जब कृष्ण जी रासलीला से चले गए, पागल हो गए. टोटली पागल हो गए. पेड़ों को पूछ रहे थे, आपने कृष्ण को देखा क्या? जानवरों को कृष्ण देखा? और धरती को, अरे यू आर सो फॉर्चुनेट, Lord is touching his lotus feet on you. You are so fortunate. Lord lifted you by his very tusk. You are so fortunate. They are talking to the Prithvi. They are talking to the Bhudevi. They are talking to the plants. They are talking to the animals, to the sky, to the moon. Everybody. Total, you can say, in a normal person, if you look at it, it will say total insane behavior. Total. Because why? What is developed? Bhakti rasa is developed. Intensely developed. So Bhakti rasa develop hota hai. There are so many things. When person reaches the stage, there are so many wonderful qualities which manifest. Now I am not getting that verse now. So now the situation, therefore our situation should be that we can gradually cultivate. And once we cultivate that, the taste, we do not make a mistake into wrong kind of activities. Okay? And if you choose wrong kind of activities, what kind of result will going to come? Going to get a body, material body again. It may be pig's body, it may be dog's body. Why you want to take a risk? Okay. So human life, it should be very, very, an opportunity is very, very rare. Again and again we say that, but we have to get enthused again and again. Labdava sudhurlabam idam bahusambhavade. So rare to get human form of life. Don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. Got a human form of life, take it, cultivate this rasa. And this rasa, bhakti rasa cultivated, that plant of creeper of bhakti rasa grows. What is growing? The taste is growing. Prabhupada said very easy. बहुत आसान है. भक्ति में मार्ग में प्रवृत्ति होती है तो बहुत आसान है. कैसे? टेस्ट बहुत ग्रो करता है. आप भक्ति में बहुत आगे चले गए, कीर्तन हो रहा है, अरे बहुत मजा आ रहा है, मजा बढ़ते जा रहा है, वो भक्ति का ग्रोथ है. भक्ति का ग्रोथ है मतलब मजा बढ़ते जा रहा है. वेरी नाइस. कैसा था? वेरी नाइस. वो बढ़ गया और बढ़ गया. कैसा था? कैसा चल रहा है आजकल जपा? वेरी नाइस. भक्ति का ग्रोथ हो रहा है. अभी आगे कुछ कैसा है? वेरी नाइस. बस और वेरी नाइस करो, भगवान आगे खड़े हो जाएंगे. अब क्या बचा है? क्यों रुकना है? Correct? Because he can appreciate Krishna. Very nice. He's so happy. So भक्ति के मार्ग में जो ये भक्ति का रसा डेवलप होता रहता है दिल में. More person is drinking the taste. Therefore, bhakti is a reciprocation of loving situation between me and the Lord. Bhakti means bhakta is there, bhokta is there, and bhakti is there. Three things have to be there. Correct? The devotee, the Lord, and the process of service. So when this starts, the enjoyment of the living entity with the Lord has to accept the service. The Lord doesn't accept service, this will be a nice story for us, that's all. And that how the Lord accepts the service? Through the acharyas. आचार्य के बिना, गुरु के बिना भक्ति एक्सेप्ट नहीं होती. वो एक्सेप्ट हो गया, आपको आनंद मिल जाता. आहा, तब खुशी शुरू. And then it increases more, and person feels so much spiritually ungladdened, so much spiritually happy. खुश. ठीक है? And then this mistake will not happen. नहीं तो क्या होगा? कुत्ते का शरीर मिल जाएगा, भौंको. नहीं मैं भौंकूंगा नहीं, कर नहीं सकते, भौंकना पड़ेगा. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? सब कुछ तो भगवान कर रहे हैं, वो भौंका रहे हैं. कुत्ते का शरीर किसने लिया था? आप ही ने तो लिया था. आप क्यों नहीं हो सकता? करेक्ट? वंस यू आर सिटिंग, जैसे आप बैठे हैं, आप एरोप्लेन में बैठो, शिप में बैठो, बाइक में बैठो, साइकिल में बैठो, एक बार ही आपको बैठना है. जब आप बैठ गए, साइकिल एरोप्लेन की तरह बिहेव नहीं करेगी. ये साइकिल हवा में नहीं जाती, नहीं जा सकती, साइकिल है. समझ गए? तो मूवमेंट यू गेट अ डॉग्स बॉडी, यू कैन नॉट बिहेव लाइक अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, यू हैव टू बिहेव लाइक अ डॉग. Totally, just like Bharat Maharaj also, he had to wait. Some exceptions are there, but generally it is rule is an animal body. There is no spiritual development. एक बारी फंस गए. I told you, Prabhupada was in America, so every day he used to tell in the class, yes, हरे कृष्ण मंत्र जप करते रहो, एक भयंकर चीज़ से बच जाओगे. तो किसी ने बोला, प्रभुपाद जी हर दिन क्या बोल रहे हैं, भयंकर चीज़ क्या है? प्रभुपाद जी जानवर का जन्म लेना. लेकिन उनको दिख रहा था इन सब का जानवर ही जन्म ही है. ऐसी उनकी क्रिया थी. So we should be very careful. We are very fortunate. Okay? And it is very simple, no? Is it very difficult, Krishna consciousness? Very, very simple. But we should practice. Practice of Krishna consciousness means basically our bhakti rasa should keep developing. Shraddha, sadhu, sangha, bhajan, kriya, anartha, nimitti, nishtha, ruchi, bhava, asakti, prema. Like that, if you take it is developing, or how it is developing other way? How the other way it is developing? Bhakti rasa is developing in the creeper. The creeper, other way we explain it, the creeper grows and crosses the covering of the universe and reaches Krishna's lotus feet and gives a fruit. What is the fruit? Love of Krishna. So either way we should get Krishna's mercy and proceed with the devotion service, and we save ourselves being trapped by the material energy and forced to behave in unusual ways. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.